I know it might be crazy. Like, he's making 2 videos in a row. It's Thursday, not Wednesday. Why is he here? It's not Wing Wednesday. Why is he making a video? All great points. But due to the Halloween season and the more important fact, Mandalorian Season 2 starts streaming tomorrow, October 30th on Friday. I go to Publix. What do I see? Mandalorian cereal. Now, this says it is fruity flavored sweetened cereal with marshmallows and other natural flavors. Yeah. I mean, the back of the box is pretty sick too. Keep that for all the collectors out there, but I gotta review this, man. So let's go for it. I'm gonna pull the whole bag out. All right. Okay, so there's no prizes. There's nothing cool on the inside. Here we go. So that's what it looks like. I already popped it open beforehand, so it'd make it easier. We're gonna try this 4 different ways to give you the best cereal review possible. We're gonna try it with no milk as like a handheld snack that some people might have as cereal. We're gonna try it with cow milk. I have 1%. We're going to try it with chocolate milk, and we're going to try it with almond milk. And I'll give reviews for all 4, and then you can rank them. I don't know if I'll be reviewing cereal all the time. I always get the crazy cereals. If anybody here watching has me on Snapchat, they know my cereal game is top notch. So I figured this would be fun to review with the premiere coming out tomorrow. Let's check it out. You know, I'm just pre-gaming for tomorrow. So you have 2 things in the cereal. You have marshmallows that are shaped like Baby Yoda, and you have little yellow puffs, like Captain Crunch puffs, but yellow. So we're going to try the marshmallow. I dropped it. That is a Lucky Charm marshmallow. Tastes exactly the same, just looks like Baby Yoda. Now for the puff. Okay. It is Lucky Charm marshmallows. And the puffs taste like Fruity Loops. So it's like Fruity Loops puffs mixed with Lucky Charm marshmallows. This Yoda don't look too good. This Yoda's messed up. But, so as a handheld snack, it's really good. I could see eating a bunch of it. But look at the marshmallow to cereal ratio. Here, come in here. There's 2 marshmallows for all that cereal. So a big, heavy cereal to marshmallow ratio there. Not looking too good on the marshmallow end. But as a handheld snack, it's pretty good. I could see eating a bunch of it. It's not too sugary and out over the top. It's better than Captain Crunch, mainly because... Or not Captain Crunch, Lucky Charms, because it has the good Lucky Charm marshmallows, but not the little brown parts nobody wants. Now we're going to try it. 1% cow milk. I'm just going to pour enough to where I can get a spoonful, and then I'm going to drink it out and clean it, and then go on to the next milk. So, as a handheld snack on a scale of 1 to sugary diabetes 10, I would give this, try to get a bite with everything, I would give this a 8.6. So really, really good. 8.6 out of 10 on his handheld. There it is. This is water. God damn. Baby Yoda got stuck in my throat, guys. I'm sorry. That sounded really weird. Alright. Don't tell anybody that. But, I mean, you definitely lose a lot of the marshmallow taste just because there's so much more cereal than there is marshmallows. And I think that's why Lucky Charms does what they do. They know their marshmallows are the best thing, so they put in something really bland, so really all you taste is the marshmallows. And I think when they put in puffs like these, where they have a lot of their own flavor, it kind of overshadows that, but still it's good. I think as a handheld snack, it's better than the 1% milk, but drink the milk, clean the bowl. But with 1% milk, so as a handheld snack, it was an 8.6 out of 10. With 1% milk, I'm going to give it an 8.1 out of 10. Now we're going on to True Moo chocolate milk. I'm going to start, I've been talking and blabbering for a while. That was a lot of milk, cheese, and rice. I'm going to start picking up speed here, so you guys don't stay here forever. Okay, so chocolate milk is good, but since chocolate milk is so strong, it's pretty much all you taste. So that's going to get a 7.8. I cleaned the bowl. It's almond milk time for all my vegans and lactose intolerant people out there. Here we go. I'm going to pour in a little bit more cereal. I'm going to just grab a handful for the hell of it. Now, the way you do cereal is, and if you do it any other way, I hate you. But the way you do cereal is you do cereal and then the milk. And then if you have enough milk left and you're going for another bowl, then you just pour the cereal in. But yeah, so now we got a nice handful. This is with the almond milk. So for a recap, as a handout snack, 8.6, 1% milk, 8.1, chocolate milk, 7.8, almond milk, almond milk, 8.0. It's better than chocolate just because it doesn't overpower the cereal, but it's a little less than 1% cow milk just because you get a little almond flavor and that doesn't mix well with it. But that is the Mandalorian cereal. Front, side, nutrition facts. Who cares? Back. Cool guys. Save that for collectors. So in order, chocolate milk would get the lowest rank with a 7.8, then almond milk, 8.0, 1% cow milk, 8.1, and as a handheld snack, 8.6. I hope you guys watch Mandalorian tomorrow. You can binge watch the whole series on Disney Plus. I'm not gonna, give you my account or anything, but anyways, you can binge watch the whole series on Disney Plus to get you caught up for season 2 premiere tomorrow. I'm very excited, and I'm sure a lot of people out there watching are too. And if you want a fun little binge snack to go along with the show, you got all your Baby Yoda plushies, you got all your stuffed animals to cuddle, go ahead and get some Baby Yoda Mandalorian themed cereal. It'd be cool. I think what would be cool is if instead of just little corn puffs, they made them kind of like Mandalorian shape, but I'm sure that costs more. But this has been a CJ Nicykins Mandalorian cereal episode review. I'll see you guys next week Wednesday. Keep it nicey, keep it clean.